Yes, sir.
Many hours later, many hours and a lot of struggle later, it's 1:35. I gotta do this e-ticket. You have to do it every single time you go to DR.
Space for 6-7 bags now.
Avance adicional se encuentra la unidad delantera.
Much later.
So we're all ready. We are going to go eat, take pictures, probably take pictures and then eat. Okay, bye. So it's currently 4 in the morning. I woke up at like 3. I woke up like an hour ago. So today we're going to the beach. I have this top that's from Congo and then these. Then I have these. So this is my beach bag. I have had this bag since middle school. Yeah, and it's like so cute. This is my favorite type of orange juice. Literally, it's about to be 8. We're leaving this part in like 15 minutes. I forgot my camera, so I'm filming on my phone and it's in a waterproof case, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Though we're on the boat. So I'm at the beach. I turned my exposure all the way down because it was just like insane. I forgot my camera. It's about to be 12 and we're leaving this island at 3, so we have 3 more hours. We just got here basically, the boat. I literally got seasick for the first time ever in my life. Now I'm tanning. And we're going to eat at like 12:15. But other than that, everything is pretty good. I can't even see me, but I just got at the water and I'm tanning, so we're about to leave. It's about to be 3 o'clock and we're about to leave, and we're just waiting to get on the boat. And like, so we're leaving now. It's 5:36. I haven't had food since like 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna see if they have some empanadas because I'm hungry. It's Tuesday and it's really early. I got up at 6:40 to go on a walk with my mom, and then we got home at like 9, and then we went grocery shopping. So I'm gonna show you guys the groceries. So we got puffs because then we got this. It's called carne salada. Then we got this milk because it's my favorite for making spaghetti here. Okay. This is one of my favorite types of sweets here. Oh, condensed milk, evaporated milk. Then I got coffee creamer. Yeah. I got slush. Then I got baby food because I actually like it. I like the pear one. I forgot if I like the banana one, so I only got one to see. Then we got ham and cheese because I love my sandwiches here. Then this is more cheese. My favorite juice, one of my favorites. Yeah. Then we got salami and ham, and then we got the big size of it. So yeah, coconut milk, love coconut milk. So this is my breakfast for today. I've been having this like every single morning, like different variations. When I'm in New York, I never eat this because I don't know, it just doesn't hit the same. It'll be like once a blue moon that I'll be like, oh my gosh, I really want this, like once like every 7 months or something. I'm gonna make a sandwich, so literally. Then you're gonna get some ham and cheese, but before you do that, you're gonna put butter on it. I usually do like a hefty amount of butter, but like I'm gonna be healthy. And my mom's in the kitchen with me, so yeah. But, you know, that's a lot of butter. But like, I only do this when I'm with Dion. Then I take the cheese first and I put it on the outer. Can you see? I think that. I'm not gonna be crazy and put too much. Then my tocino. My favorite orange juice here. And I'm gonna blend this because it's basically ready. Alright, food, snack. Okay, we made it to my parents' house that they're building in DR. This is the background, like, but it goes like way deeper. It's low-key like a forest, but this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I'm gonna be cooking here, allegedly. It's cute. I don't know why this doesn't work. Like this one, I don't know why. This is the only like water thing in the house that doesn't work. I don't know why. But it's so cute. I accidentally like put myself on one of these, like a little cut, because these like, I don't know, they'd be like, you know, but they're cute. Let's see. This is the pantry. Yeah, it has a mirror. This is like more downstairs. It's cutesy, and then that's for wine. That's like for the glasses, and then that's for the bottles. Really cute. And like there's more cabinets and stuff that I'm about to not play with because I got co-accidentally in these two. I really like this. I actually like this type of wood. I don't have a clue why. It's just so cute. I love brown. This is my room, my bathroom. Then there's another room right there. And this is my parents' room. And then outside of it, it's, I forgot what this is called. But like, yeah, it's a cute view. Oh, and there's a farm right there. I love it. I want a farm so bad. I just love animals. But I'm gonna try to make a miniature farm in the back, which will just have like chickens and roosters. So I want like one yellow duck. My mom does not want ducks because they're like really dirty, she said. But I just want one little like yellow duck. Like it's so cute. And I want a baby goat. And I want one bunny. I'm about to eat. It's 1 o'clock. Okay, so I just showered. I don't know why these are red. These are shorts. I don't know what to wear. Trying to sleep now, but I just see you in Good morning, guys. It's about to be 7 a.m. I'm getting ready. I did not know what to wear, so I have this basic 90s baby tee on because it's like the best thing I can do. It's like way too early. The sun is out though. It's 7 o'clock, so let's see if this is good. Okay, I'll take this oil. I've had this for so many years and I don't know how I'm still not running out of it. Then I just gently, okay. This is like my favorite thing ever. I'd be so excited to get ready to use this. I'm basically done. I just got to do my lip and I'm just gonna do brown. I'm excited, and then we're gonna get breakfast after. I really so right outside. I'll see you guys at church or when something exciting is happening. I made it to church. We did, and my hair got messed up. Yeah. the day. Rice, beans, meat, I forgot. It's really good though. Salad, avocado. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.